Hi everyone, I'm going to be doing an Amazon haul. As you can tell the title, I'm really excited because a lot of these things, mainly most of these things are Amazon travel essentials related. So I'm really excited to share with you guys the things that I've gotten, and let's go ahead and get started on with the video. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is actually some packing cubes. I ordered this one right here. So this is in the color beige or nude. I really have been loving neutrals and stuff, or either like black and white, so I really went for the nude. It does have this one for little bottles in there, and the zipper is up here and you can see it like that. It also comes with this bigger one. As you can see, it's like a bigger cube, and it has this right here, and then it has some packaging inside. I do like the mesh here. I think it looks really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and see which ones are inside. First, we have this one right here. I believe this is for like a pair of shoes. Then there's this little one, also for more smaller essentials, but it just looks like that. It also has kind of their little saying or branding, wish you have a colorful life, and super simple and stuff. This is more of a bag because it has these little things on the side. So it has these where you can pull them and it'll, like, you know, close in like that. This is like a packing cube. I think that's what they're called. It looks like that. I think there is 3 of these exactly. This is kind of like a more smaller or medium size, and then this one is more of the bigger one. So it has kind of like that mesh in the front, and I noticed that there's more in here. So this might be the biggest one actually. I think this is the biggest one. So I did get the 8-piece if you were wondering, but I'm really excited to use those and start packing for my trip that I have coming up. So I'm really excited about those. This caught my attention for a specific reason actually. I don't use a mouse, but I've noticed that my wrist has been hurting a lot because I'm not really using a mouse, and I don't really have like a mouse pad, I think it's what it's called. So this one I thought was like perfectly convenient because it is just black. I got a simple black color. You can put your laptop in there, and I got a size that would fit my laptop, and also you can use it on the side like this and put your laptop here and then use your mouse on this side. So I thought that was really cool because this serves as a mouse pad as well. I thought this was perfect because I'm going to be taking my laptop with me on these next few trips that I have planned. So this actually it like has magnets, so it just like sticks right there. So this is something that came with it, but I don't quite remember. It seems like it's just a free little pouch that it comes with. So this is something I would probably use to put like my mouse and stuff in there, or even like my SD cards and stuff. This is really nice actually. I didn't realize this was included in there. I have another travel essential. So this one, I actually have a duffel bag that I use as my gym bag. I've also been using that as like my road trip bag, and lately I realized I should probably get one for traveling. So I got myself a travel bag for traveling with me. So this is going to be the one that I take on the plane with me. So this is what it looks like. So it has little pockets in here. It has zipper in here, and also the big pocket, which is right here. It looks really spacious, and also something that I love is the fact that it has little like pockets in here, so it's perfect for smaller things. So this actually, you can attach it to your carry-on, and I'll insert a photo of what that looks like. One side is actually not a pocket, so you can see through it right there. I don't know if you can see right there, my hand. So this actually slides into the handles of your carry-on, which I thought was perfect because instead of just your bag sitting on top of your carry-on, it actually will be secure enough to stay there. So I really loved this, and I'm so excited to use it on the plane. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see kind of like what I pack in this bag for traveling. Let me know. I would love to do that video for you guys. Next, I think such an essential is obviously like a travel pillow. This one is by the brand Dot & Dot, and this is the Twist Memory Foam Travel Pillow. So this is kind of like the little sticker that it has on there. So what caught my attention is that obviously it just looks like that, right? And what's cool about this is that you can actually fold it. Like you can literally fold it in different directions. Like, do you see that? Totally like different way. It's like, so it's like reminds me of like clay or something in a way. But like what I found was cool is that instead of just wrapping around you, I love to sit by the window, and in general I just always love to sleep on my side, so I lay my head on the side. And what I thought was cool about this, that instead of just always staying like this, you can actually fold this pillow so that you have something to like lay against. So for example, if you have it around you, you can have this right here and you can lay there. And I feel like when you have like a pillow like this, you just kind of can only go this way or this way. And I've been in long flights where literally I can't stand that. So this I thought was perfect because I will be able to actually put my head to the side and have something that's gonna hold it. You do feel that like memory foam. So I am super excited about this, and I feel like it's such a great investment for like traveling and stuff. So this is what it looks like, and I'm super excited about it. So recently I've been looking for like a holder that's gonna hold all my important papers like passport and all this stuff. So this is actually a travel wallet. It looks like this, and it looks like a regular wallet, but once you open it, it has all these things in there, and I think it does still look like a regular wallet, but it has a lot of space for your passport. It has some labels for like credit card and also ID card, and more space back here. So you can actually use this not just as your passport holder or where you put your passport, but also all your other things aside from just having like separate like passport versus wallet. I am glad that it came in great condition because I was a little bit scared of what it would look like, but I feel like it looks really good. I'm so excited to fill it up and have this be my one designated thing where I can have everything. I got this little organizer here. This is specifically more for chargers and cords. So when you open it, it looks like this, and it has this right here to hold any kind of big power bank or like charger, and then in here has little pockets. You can put your cords in there. It's super simple and small, and I thought this would be perfect to have kind of like a designated spot for me to have all my cords and my chargers. One of the things I was really excited about, so I do have slippers, but I don't have like kind of like comfy sandals that I can like lounge around in. So I went ahead and purchased these off of Amazon. So these are what they look like. They're slides. They look so cute. They look like this, and they're just super cute and simple. I've heard such amazing things about these. On Amazon they have a lot of great reviews, so I have high hopes that this is gonna be super comfortable. It also feels like super comfortable. It feels like cushiony, and it also just feels like it has like it's shaped in a way where like your foot and your toes are gonna fit perfectly. So I'm definitely gonna be taking this on my next trip, and I'm so excited. They look so cute, like super cute, and I love the color. Last thing I got are these 3 little bags. So these are more for like dirty clothes or anything. These are smaller, so I would take these for like the gym or anything. So I got a white one right here. It has that zipper, and then it also has another zipper down here. So I got white. I also got black, and then I also got a gray color. But yeah, I got these. I think these are gonna be super helpful for the gym and just putting dirty clothes in there and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.